Hey guys, today is Tuesday, January 2nd. I always forget what day I'm in. January 2nd, and it is 3:30. It's really quiet right now because the kids are both asleep. I was with my mom since early today, and we had lunch there, and the kids were there, they were playing. And so Roman wasn't going to sleep. Like, he was sleepy. He wanted to go to sleep, but for some reason I just couldn't put him to sleep. And usually, of course, when I take him out for a walk, then he falls asleep. So since I decided to come home, I took him and Romy out for like a little stroll so that they can both fall asleep, and they did. Good thing, because I have to try and pick up some stuff here. I washed on New Year's Eve, and I still have a mess. So lately, I feel like I've been taking care of things at home, like cleaning and things like that, but I'm trying to tackle the fridge, because I don't want to, this year, I'm gonna try not to waste food. So I'm gonna try and cook everything that we have in there before it goes bad. And I just remembered that I left the papaya at my mom's because I wanted to cut it, so I had to go pick it up. And an avocado too. So that's what my New Year's resolution is for this year, is to try and keep the house as tidy as I can and not to waste any food, because I just feel really bad. Like, at the end of every week before I go grocery shopping, I have to like throw away food, and it's just not cool, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. But I want to put something on TV, and I don't know what to watch, because I can't just have like a quiet home. I have to have some sort of background noise, but I don't want to listen to music. So I'm gonna try and see what I can find on Amazon Prime. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning, and so we're off to a good start of the week and a good start of the of this day, of course. So I've been watching Friends, so that's what I'm gonna watch today. And what the hell is this? No, what's wrong with the internet? So I find, like, I used to watch it when I was in high school. What? Oh, they can't be doing this to me. I used to watch it when I was in high school, and now that I'm older and I'm watching it, I think it's like much more funnier than when I was in high school. Like, the jokes are, oh gosh, what is wrong with this? The jokes are like, there's like a different meaning to all the jokes that they have now. I'm making myself little pizzas without the sauce. I just didn't feel like using the sauce, but let me show you what I used as the salami. I used this Applegate Naturals uncured turkey pepperoni, and it's so good. These are really expensive, but they are super duper good. I can eat these just by themselves with like a piece of cheese. So if you want to try something like this, I don't think you will regret. I don't think you'll regret buying it. I'm trying to clear out my closet. Well, just trying to get rid of a couple of things, because I want to start building like a new wardrobe for myself. So yeah, and I'm trying to organize the baby's clothes, trying to put away the clothes that doesn't fit them, and trying to bring out clothes that might fit them now. So yeah, that's what I am currently doing.
Hi, Mama. How are you? Hi. Hi, Mama. Oh, hi. Uh-oh. Look at your sister. Hi.
No, es que perdió la pelota. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Romy? Where's the ball? It's behind you. Look, it's right here. You're so crazy. I love you, Papa. Hi. You're the one that threw it behind you.